My name's Matthew Montoya. This is my IBM, aka an I built it myself. So some of the more recent math challenges I've had have been like getting the threading right and dimensions right in this, like the spacing and size for these screws and the nut that's inside of here that this plate bolted down to, and also trial and error in making these work and thread on easily. So this sequential piece also took a little bit of math to get the dimensions right, the spacing, and making sure it wouldn't chatter itself out of place in use. So in my senior year of high school, my pre-calc teacher, Mr. Bradfield, gave us an assignment to make art or like any image we wanted in Desmos and using 9 specific equations, at least those 9, and then we could do whatever we want. So I made a Toyota 886 because I wanted to learn how to use Desmos like AutoCAD because I had no access to any CAD software then. And I used over 300 equations. So my current study is mechanical engineering, but I've always had an interest in mechatronics, like where you would place the copper wire and the stainless steel for a stator, and how you would stack it to make more uniform eddy currents. Then you would need to make like a PLA shell to put some magnets into it to make the rotor. Another mechatronics project I've always been interested in is building a hexapod. So I've been looking into the dimensions of servos, servo horns, and then trying to figure out where you'd place those servos to get a 3-axis control for each arm. Then how to ground all 18 servos so you don't send 90 volts to one little ESP32. So I also want to design a floor plan for a cargo home this year, then build like my own circuit around the property, like a rally stage, kind of like a hybrid of Suzuka in Barcelona. Then after that, I would make a cargo warehouse for like a fabrications business where I'd want to try to make like a machine shop where we specialize in metal and exotic materials like carbon fiber. So if we break parts, we have a chance of fixing them on the spot. My near future goals is to join UTSA's Formula SAE team, which develops Formula style electric go-karts. Then after a while of doing that, my hopes would be to transfer to Texas A&M and get a multidisciplinary engineering degree in mechatronics.